Afternoon, sir. My name is Bankole Elisha. I be carpenter. I dey into roofing of woodwork and installation. While the woodwork is done by us last week and we just finished the installation.
Okay, so this particular place on this, so yes, now the installation is same we could come monitor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because we know say we don't fit come here, come monitor the woodwork.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Oga, what you will tell our viewers when they patronize the trees our platform and the one will give you this particular job?
I say thank you very much, because without them there's nothing we can do, and I pray that God will continue to provide for them to build more houses. Okay,
so our viewers all over the world, we just our brother say thank you for the trust and the patronage when una they give them. So Oga, you say na installation?
Yes, sir.
Now be this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the beauty of the house now don't come out?
Yes, sir. Now installation of stone tiles called Gerard and water collector.
Okay, and water collector now you do together?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Oga, make you dey tell our viewers waiting there.
Thank you very much, sir. This is installation of stone coat called Gerard. So, and the total square meter that is being used here is 780 square meter. Both the main house, the security house, and boys' quarter at the back.
Okay, so Oga, this kind of Gerard or stone coated, now waiting be the name?
This one is Milano.
Milano.
So now waiting the owner choose, and now waiting the inside the plan. Same we use, now be that.
Okay, now Milano they didn't say make owner use.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
so sir, this particular roofing when you do so, or the installation when you do, you no go get leakage?
No, sir. Now thank you very much, sir. The sealant, I'm still going there. I'm still going back there before, but in as much you ask the question, it's very easy for me to explain. Now the sealant that we use 15 sealant.
Okay.
For this roofing, and if it is left for other roofing, if not the way we do our own work, the sealant should not be more than 3 or 4 sealant.
Okay.
But we use 15 sealant here because there is an instruction I always give my workers. You know, only you cannot do the whole job. If I handle one side, some of my workers too will handle one part. So every nail, if you have opportunity, okay, like now, if you see this one, you will discover that you can't see any traces of nail inside this one. Now the reason is that all the nail that we put inside the stone coat that we use to nail it, we always seal our own to avoid the story that does not touch the heart. Because now later what you just discover is that the stone tiles, despite that is original stone tiles that we bought from the main source, now the nail, the head of the nail, it can change color. You now started seeing rotting, or it will be changing color. You will see the, since it's metal, you understand it's iron, in as much there is water in it, so definitely it will change color. But we, to avoid that, all nail that we put sealant in all of them, no single one that we didn't seal off. Okay, so that is how we do our own job. So that is why you will discover that we don't charge installation of stone coat with square meter. The reason there is that the reason why I cannot charge it with per square meter is that anybody that want to work with me also, definitely I will also give them a square meter. Okay. And those procedures will not be followed. That is just the truth, because now it's just like someone that want to do this place that have design, you understand, and somebody that want to take express just like this. So there will be a marginal difference between them. It will look as if someone that take express is fast because he did a very long place. And the person that took just small place, because of that design and the precaution that has to be taken, you understand, sir? So it will look as if the person is not
working.
It's not working, and it's working more than the person that is doing the larger part of it. But the other one that require the experience, anybody that does not know, we don't know what it really takes. So that is why we don't charge our installation with square meter per square meter for installation. We charge it as contract, so that I will be able to give them, no, we are not doing square meter. What we just want is perfect job. There is no way you can do square meter and all the nail will be sealed, because it's not 2,000 pieces of nail, it's not 3,000 pieces of nail. So you if you knock one, you put sealant, you knock one, you put sealant. So it takes time. You understand, sir? So that is why there is no way you can do square installation per square meter and that will happen.
Okay. So Oga, this particular Milano, what would they see so?
Yes, sir.
Is he get other Gerard or stone tiles when still dey like this one, when different from this Milano?
God bless you, sir. We still get plenty one. We have classic, we have bond, and we have shingles. Those are the 4 these things that we have.
Okay.
Now, the name is the pattern at which the stone tiles is being made of.
It's design.
It's design. That is like now, like this brown now. If you check this brown, this flat roof now.
Okay.
This flat roof. If you see it very well.
This very one.
This person one. This one is called shingles.
Okay.
So it's matter of choice. So we give the owner different type of stone coat, and the owner will not choose that this is the one I like. So it is the owner that will pick the choice. So we don't pick choice, we don't pick color. Now, like the water collector that is here now. So we bought 80 pieces of water collector. So and it remains small. So just like 5 pieces. So now I wanted to choose white, but based on the design, you understand the finishing of the 3D of the building, so we have to choose black. So that's why we always ask questions from the owner, so we don't decide for them.
Okay, so this particular water collector,
yes sir,
you fit explain to us how it be for you?
Thank you very much, sir. If you see it very well, now the one like this, we call it water collector. Now it has internal and external. Okay. The internal is the one that you have at these angles, this angle of that ridge. Okay. The external is the one that stay at the last edge of the gutter, at which both gutters, you know, those gutters like this place now, the inside at which we use to connect both the internal and external. Okay. So we use it to connect them. Now, so that is how it is. And we also have connector that we use to connect the gutter together. So like now, like the pipe of the gutter now, you know, something must join it together. Okay. So and we now buy gum, that gum. So that gum, once we put the gum inside the so we now clip it. Okay.
So if heavy rain fall,
yes sir,
you know, go put this gutter when we talk about?
No, it's not possible, sir. There is something that we call anger. I live in privilege, so I can just bring one from the store, you see it. So we have anger and we also have wire. So that wire, those things are the one that we will have put before we put the stone tie. So that anger, once we clip it and we have wire, and the wire is aluminium, so we use it to tie it to the beam, okay, or pole line of the building. So something is holding. If something is not holding it, definitely it cannot stand firm like this.
Okay, so we get the belief say if heavy rain fall, when we hear say heavy downpour, this thing not go pull come
no,
out.
It's not possible, sir.
So what about this the one where you go come down?
That one is down pipe. Now the down pipe, we can't put it because the plaster has not been done, the painting has not been done. Okay, that is how we do it. But the up one, we finish it. So until when the building has finished finally, that's why we now put the down pipe. We now run it to the place that you want to be, the one that we enter funnel, the one that we enter gutter, so it will now come out. Okay. So and the main purpose of this water collector is this. You know, once rain fall, you will see split of rain. The rain will split everywhere. You understand? So but in as much as there is water collector, we use it to control rain. Now
control water
to control the water that is coming. Now if you see it now, there is something that I call outlet. This is what we call outlet. That thing that we normally drop, that thing that drop the water down. Okay, that the pipe the down pipe that we collect water from the down pipe down. So we call it outlet up there. Is the one that we have there. We also have it, look at this down one now. Okay, this one that I want to bring the water, we call it outlet. Now the work of it is that now once you put water collector, all the rain that will fall, we have access to control the place at which the water will flow. Okay. You understand? But if there is no water collector, the water is coming directly into the flow. But as this place is now, like that entrance, there is no outlet there. Now definitely the whole water that is coming from there is coming towards this area. Okay, you understand? That is just the purpose of the gutter. So we use it to control the water, and it also add beauty to the building.
Okay, so this particular work installation, when you can't do so, now you buy the material.
God bless you, sir. What really happened is that they have different variety of stone coat. The fake self is much now. Okay, but there's a factory that we have been buying materials from. over 12 years, and the place is one Oyinbo that has it. They will even give you guarantee of 50 years. Even though once you see it, if you check the, if I can bring my phone, if you see the video, the Oyinbo, everything that is there, you see that it's a warehouse. It's complete big one. It's even more than this place, almost 3 plots.
Okay.
So that is one, and I told them that is the only place I can guarantee. You understand? I'm not saying other places are not selling good ones, though, but the only place that I know,
the one you have been buying from,
that I know. So, and we go there together. So with the owner brother, so we check it together, and I ask them, I leave them to select their choice. So that is it, sir.
Okay, that means not be you buy them.
Not be me buy them. We follow them go there.
Okay, but you know the idea of how much it costs.
Yes, sir.
When I take buy this,
is the
how many square meters you say there? Yeah?
780, sir.
So the 780 square meter, and how much it cost?
The 1 square meter is 6,000 naira.
Okay.
Per square meter.
Per square meter.
And why other places sell it 6,200, 6,003?
Okay, so you multiply 6,000 by 780.
Yes, sir.
Now we take get the number
yes,
of square meter when you there, the amount when they take by
yes, sir.
The stone coated.
Yes, sir.
So Oga, if you still tell our viewers how much you charge for the installation and the pipe, this water collector.
Yes, sir. Everything is 550, sir. Everything.
550,000 plus
yes,
the water collector.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if our viewers need you, may you come work for other parts of the country, especially the west, or your Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, when we do so, Lagos and Kwara. If you go there, go work.
No problem, sir. Even though somebody coming from Calabar today, so we have a negotiation. See if the thing, if everything click, definitely we will go, sir.
Okay. So make you give us your phone number in case our viewers they want to issue.
Okay, sir. 081 00 85 88 34.
Again.
081 00 85 88 34.
Okay, so guys, if our viewers still get this kind of work for other part of the country, especially the west, that money will still carry on.
It depends on negotiation, because before we charge, that's why I don't put workmanship inside my estimate. I will ask the owner some questions before we arrive at a particular amount, before we put it.
Okay.
So that's how
so
we do
our
it,
viewers all over the world, we thank Una for the time when they watch our videos and the motivation where Una they give us. Say thank you all and God bless.